that is known as IoT architecture. IoT అంటే ఆల్రెడీ అబ్రివేషన్ అందరూ బాగా తెలుసు, నథింగ్ బట్ ఇంటర్నెట్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్. అసలు ఇంటర్నెట్ అంటే నథింగ్ బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ meta network that is used to connect thousands of individual networks communicating through a common protocol that is known as internet. యాక్చువల్గా ఏంటంటే ఇంటర్నెట్ అనేది ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే నథింగ్ బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ వరల్డ్ వైడ్ పబ్లిసిటీ నెట్వర్క్ దట్ కెన్ బి యూజ్డ్ బై anyone can be used by using a standard protocols. In this, protocols are of two types, TCP, another one is IP. What is meant by TCP, abbreviated as transmission control protocol, where IP means internet protocol. In this, we used to discuss about the architecture of IoT, nothing but it is an interconnection between sensor networking and cloud computing. Okay, in this exchange of the data or the process of the data can be taken faster. Okay, this in this internet and in this IoT, they are having 4 layers. The data flow will be take place like this. Okay, first one is sensor layer or sensing element. Next one is network layer. Another one is data processing. Last one is application layer. These are the basic 4 layers into IoT. And another one is we can it's having a 5 layers classifications also. Later you can see. First you see the values of what is meant by sensor layer. Sensor layer means sensing the element, like that. Basically in this, it is used to sense the temperature, pressure or gas from the environment. Like that, it is acts as a sensor means nothing but it is used to convert the following physical quantities in terms of electrical signal or digital signal, whereas actuators nothing but it is again used to convert the electrical sound into physical. Like sensors means gas sensor, infrared as well as ultrasonic sensor, pressure sensor. Whereas in electrical, nothing but actuators are nothing but valves, switches, relays. Whereas in this we are using microcontrollers, whereas RFID cards, radio frequency and detection cards also in this sensor layer. Another one is network layer. In this layer, the data communication takes place between IoT devices and the cloud computing and cloud systems. Nothing but in this the data is transferred from device to device or device to server. In this, mainly functions is mainly depend upon Wi-Fi, Zigbee, Bluetooth, or satellite network, etc. Okay, another one is data processing. Nothing but processing can be takes place in this. Nothing but in this it is used to analyze or filters the signal. Nothing but it is used to detect signal, and it is used to rectify abnormalities in the signals. In this the data can be analyzed. In this the data processing, nothing but process can data processing. Another one is application. Application means different applications are been there. Applications means it is the final output for the user as well as for business system also. Nothing but it adds it is used to control signal between monitor and control devices. Nothing but it is used as a visualization dashboards and charts. Applications are maybe nothing but smart agriculture, smart grids, home automation, industrial automation, okay, and in mobile applications, real-time insights. Like this, it is used to cover a number of applications. Another one is it's having an advantage, that is it is used to utilize the resource, increase the resource efficiency. It mainly disadvantages is cost effective. Okay. Another one is it basically IoT having basically 5 layers. That is first one is physical layer. Another one is data link. Another one is network layer. Another one is transport layer. Another one is application layer. 5 layers also there in IoT. That is nothing but physical layer means the data can be sent through cables. In this in data link, it is used to transfer the data between mode to mode, data transfer. Whereas in network we are using routers as well as switches. Whereas in transport, it is used to transfer data between end-to-end communication. Application layer, nothing but automation, home automation. It is the final part for IoT. Okay, that is a simply about IoT architecture. Thank you for listening.